The emergence of the contemporary tiny house on wheels fundamentally redefines what it means to live luxuriously, offering a brilliant convergence of streamlined design, portability, and premium living. This architectural movement boldly contests the outdated belief that substantial size is the sole measure of affluence. These beautifully proportioned, small-scale residences are thoughtfully engineered for a new generation of homeowners who prioritize agility, self-determination, and purposeful consumption, furnishing an elegant platform for experiencing the world without ever having to compromise on personal comfort or sophisticated style, far surpassing the crude simplicity of earlier nomadic structures. Today's upscale mobile tiny homes stand as genuine feats of architectural innovation. Their exteriors often present a striking aesthetic, frequently featuring a dramatic palette of matte black, expansive dark-framed glazing, and a rich texture provided by mixed stone and timber accents, all seamlessly integrated with remarkably clever space optimization engineering. The final product is an exceptional personal haven on wheels that manages to feel profoundly spacious and dignified, serving as compelling proof that authentic luxury is derived from impeccable craftsmanship, intelligent design, and personal autonomy, rather than a mere count of square meters. Upon crossing the threshold of one of these modern luxury tiny homes, one immediately encounters an environment where every element of the interior has been meticulously planned, showcasing a suite of high-end, fully integrated fittings. The craftspeople and designers behind these structures have put a significant emphasis on superior build quality and ingenious spatial solutions to extract the maximum possible utility from the restricted area. The culinary zones frequently serve as the central showpieces, boasting ergonomic layouts complete with deep, practical stainless steel sinks, state-of-the-art, energy-saving appliances such as induction cooktops and compact dishwashers, and a generous provision of bespoke, custom-fitted cabinetry. The communal areas are inherently multifunctional and flexible, often furnished with smart, convertible pieces like seating that swiftly transforms into comfortable queen-sized beds and dedicated tech-ready workstations for the digital nomad. Moreover, the deliberate choice of bright, uplifting color schemes, alongside striking features like vaulted ceilings adorned with warm, rustic wooden beams and the installation of oversized picture windows or expansive sliding glass doors, ensures that the interior is bathed in natural light, fostering an open, light-filled, and spacious atmosphere that remarkably disguises the home's truly petite dimensions. One of the most powerful attractions of the luxury tiny house on wheels is the unparalleled sense of geographical liberation it bestows upon its inhabitants. Functioning as true mobile residences, these homes empower their owners to instantaneously relocate their perspective, accompanying them through the dynamic changes of the seasons and across dramatically varied ecological settings and terrains. This sought-after nomadic existence is consistently elevated by the integration of sophistication, environmentally responsible technologies. A substantial number of models come factory-equipped with robust solar power arrays, some capable of generating a considerable output of multiple kilowatts, paired with massive battery banks, enabling prolonged periods of truly self-sufficient off-grid exploration. Comfort is guaranteed year-round through efficient heating mechanisms, such as specialized marine-grade batteries that deliver gentle, radiant warmth through the floor. Even the wet rooms frequently incorporate luxurious touches, including spacious showers illuminated by skylights and highly efficient, water-conscious, combined washer-dryer units.